Drowning is any impairment in respiratory function following a submersion or immersion event in fluid. There are terms that are popping up on news networks and social media, such as dry drowning, which unfortunately have catastrophic consequences for patients, families, and communities, but we recommend strongly against using terms like dry drowning. There is no medically accepted diagnosis of dry drowning. So fundamentally, drowning is when you can't get oxygen into your lungs because you are in or below water. That can happen one of two ways, either from breath holding underwater because you don't want to inhale the water into the lungs, or because you can't help it, take a breath underwater and the water gets into the lungs. Some people misassociate this with swallowing water when you're in the ocean or in the pool, which results in water going into the stomach. 10 people a day may die from drowning. The best thing that we can do for drowning is prevention methods. Particularly when it comes to children, this involves close, constant adult supervision, which is not distracted by cooking, cleaning, reading, talking on the cell phone. It means somebody watching the water at all times. Additionally, you want to make sure that there are other prevention measures in place, such as those which are physical. A fence on all four sides of a pool at home that's at least 4 feet high is one of the best things you can do to help prevent drowning. People also don't realize that for small children, you don't need a large volume of water for drowning to occur. Hot tubs, bathtubs, even buckets of water could represent risks for infants or toddlers. If you do experience any symptoms of respiratory dysfunction, cough, trouble breathing, it doesn't matter whether this happens 30 minutes after you've been in the pool or a week after you've been in the pool. You should seek medical attention when those symptoms develop. Whether or not it is related to while you were swimming is largely irrelevant. When you have those symptoms, seek medical help.